In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font color in your document. This is a simple tweak that can make headings stand out, emphasize key points, or bring a consistent look to your content. I'll walk you through the basics and share a few tips so you feel confident choosing the right color every time. Start by selecting the text you want to change. You can click and drag over a word or a whole paragraph, or triple-click to grab an entire line. If you haven't typed the text yet, you can also set the color first and then start typing. Everything you enter afterward will use that color until you change it again. With your text selected, go to the Home tab. In the font group, look for the Font Color button. It's the one that looks like a capital A with a colored underline. Click that button to open the color menu. You'll see two main sections, Theme Colors and Standard Colors. Theme colors are tied to your document's overall theme. They're great for keeping things consistent across titles, headings, and body text, especially in professional or branded documents. If you change the document's theme later, theme-based colors will update automatically to match. Standard colors, on the other hand, are fixed choices like red, blue, or green. They stay the same no matter what theme you use, which is helpful when you need a specific, unchanging color. Hover over any color to preview it on your selected text, then click to apply it. If you're aiming for readability, choose a color with strong contrast against the background. Dark colors on light backgrounds or light colors on dark backgrounds are usually easiest to read. Try to use color sparingly for emphasis, not for every line, so your document stays clear and professional. If you don't see the exact color you want, click More Colors. This opens a dialog box with two tabs, Standard and Custom. On the Standard tab, you'll find a classic color wheel and preset swatches, handy when you want a quick pick that's not in the main menu. On the Custom tab, you can fine-tune your choice by adjusting precise color values. This is especially useful if you're matching brand guidelines or recreating a specific shade. Move the slider or enter the values to mix your perfect color, then confirm to apply it to your selected text. That's all there is to it. Select your text, choose a color from the menu, and use More Colors when you need something exact. With a few thoughtful choices, your document will look polished, legible, and on brand.